Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is Thursday train, and with me today is going to be Just Janice and a special guest artist. So stick around for both of their videos and see what we come up with. Today I'm going to be doing another cloud point, actually the last in my series of cloud pour for the recent run. So, this is going to be the same color schemes as you've seen in the past, but like with all fluid art, the colors, if depending on the opacity and the order which they put down, the end product is always different, and I think you'll find the same to be true. But this will be the last one for this group. So let's get down to the canvas and we'll get started. Okay, explanation. Today I'm going to be doing a cloud pour. Not because I really want to do a cloud pour, which I don't mind doing, but I have all these paints left over from a collab I did last month. And instead of letting these things go bad, I'd like to give them a chance to use them. So it's basically the same color palette as I had before. This is a combination of several different golds, but its basis is the NovaColor Super Gold Pearl. A little bit of several other golds that went into it. This is my drippings. It looks a lot like the kind of a gray blue. This is a little thick. I believe it's Corinthian blue. Needs a little bit of water. I'm having to revive these things. What I've done is I've just added a little tiny bit of water to loosen up the pigment, just to get it down to consistency. And there we go. This is Sapphire. Again, feels a little thick, but I think I'll roll with it. And this is indigo, or no, Prussian blue. And again, just needs a little bit of water. Maybe do that with the Sapphire too. That's good. And finally, my cloud mixture. Feels way thick, but it doesn't look that way. This is according to Tiffany Bergeron's recipe. This is equal parts of Artist Loft Soft Party White and Vallejo Pearl Medium mixed with 2 parts of Australian Floetrol. Okay, that's my paints. So I'm going to get right to it. I'm going to layer out this cup and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, let's talk about this for just a second. The color play is again very nice. I'm a blue guy, so I'm really happy about that. It's almost a cobalt blue with the mixing, and the clouds are still developing. They'll come more and more to the surface, but I think I got the right amount of cloud mixture in this time. I think. Love that center. That little modification at the end really helped. I'm not unhappy about all these bubbles that have come up. I'd prefer if they wouldn't be there, but you know, that's always the case. And I think if I were choosing an orientation, it would probably be this way. But you know, it works in all different ways. So basically, I think this is probably it for a little while for cloud pours, but I will be returning because I really do really love the effect. It gives a real sense of depth. So, okay, let me take down for the slow and easy, and we'll get This has been Thursday Train. Up next after me, it's going to be Just Janice, followed by our special guest artist. So stick around and see what the two of them come up with. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I really do hope you got something out of it. So, until next time, bye for now.